Russian scientists are developing a new method of curing cancer, as reported by Alexander Sobolev, a corresponding member of the Russian Academy of Sciences and head of RAS Molecular Genetics of Intracellular Transport Laboratory. Hello and welcome again to the Politics podcast. Geopolitical Queen here with today's episode on how Russia has finally broken through in the cure for the dreadful disease known as cancer through the creation of diving antibodies. According to Sobolev, the researchers have developed artificial protein molecules that can identify cancerous cells and enter these cells' nuclei via intracellular transport mechanisms. These artificial molecules could potentially be used to carry toxic agents such as radioactive isotopes that would ensure the destruction of cancerous cells with minimal risk of affecting neighboring non-cancerous cells. Dubbed modular nanotransporters, these tiny cells consist of several modular blocks that can be altered depending on the task at hand. These transporters, which are currently being tested by Rosatom, consist of 4 modules. The identification module, which identifies cancerous cells by interacting with the receptors located on their cellular membranes. The cell membrane bubble module, which creates pores in these bubbles, granting access to cancerous cells' inner workings. The signal module, which contains a sequence of amino acids that acts as a signal that ensures the delivery of transporters payload to the cancerous cell's nucleus, and the 3D maintaining module, which helps the essential 3D shape of the transporter, which allows the attachment of the toxic payload. All of these stages have already been tested and demonstrated during experiments, Sobolev noted. With the realization that virtually any kind of payload can be attached to the molecules developed, the researchers also came up with the concept of a diving antibody. An antibody or a molecule similar to it that could dive into a target cell and interact with the target protein within. Thus, another module was created, a molecule similar to an antibody that would interact with target proteins. One such diving antibody has already proven capable of protecting cells from oxidative stress. Another diving antibody can identify coronavirus proteins and direct intracellular ferments to destroy the protein. According to Sobolev, this method could be used to create a cure for COVID and not just for COVID. The modular nanotransporter method is specifically designed to deal with micro-tumours that are especially difficult to detect and hard to get rid of. The researchers also intend to pursue other directions of investigation that emerged during their studies, exploring potential new applications for these artificial molecules. So what do you think? Are we finally getting close to the cure for this dreadful disease known as cancer? Well, kindly leave your comments in the comment section below, and thanks for tuning in. I will be back with the next podcast. Good day.